I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a practice question for you on real numbers. The question is, name the set or sets of numbers to which each real number belongs. So we have four numbers given, all are real numbers. You need to write down in which different sets of numbers they could be classified. So we have -5, 7 over 12, square root of 49, square root of 50, and we can add one more here. Let us say we have 5 over 22, right? So we have these numbers here. Now you need to classify them as in different groups, right? So as natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rationals, and irrational numbers. Okay, so you can pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. Let's begin from the very first one. It is integers, so we could write this as integers, right? Now integers are also rational numbers, so we should also mention rational numbers. So it could go into two set of numbers. 7 over 12 is a rational number. It's written in the form of a over b, where the denominator is not equal to 0. Square root of 49 is equal to 7. So we could also say this is a natural number. Do you see? So if it is natural numbers, it is also a whole number, and it is also integer, correct? And also rational number, right? So let's mention all of them. So in this exercise, you have to mention all. Now square root of 50. So if I write square root of 50 in decimals, what do I get? Square root of 50 in decimals is equal to 7.0716106 something, but there is no repeating pattern, and therefore it is called irrational number. Now let's do 5 over 22. So 5 divided by 22 is equal to, in decimals, 0.227 repeats. So it is equals to 0.2 and 27 repeats. Now there is a repeating pattern, 27 repeats, and therefore this could be written as a rational number. Okay. So any number which you can write as a fraction could be written as a rational number. Now those fractions could be decimal numbers with a repeating pattern, or could be a decimal number. But if you have a decimal number which does not have a repeating pattern, then it is irrational number. So you can have decimal numbers with repeating pattern or terminating decimal numbers, right? So those are your real rational numbers, and if you have non-repeating decimals, it is irrational number. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.